Hey guys, Logan. We're to Season 9, Episode 5 of Supernatural. We are rolling through this. For those of you who don't already know, you can go to simplereactions.com and there is a tab there that says Schedules. You can go and you can check out the full-on schedule for Patreon, for YouTube. For YouTube schedule, you can even see what times things are posted. I'm not going to tell you what they are here because I want to encourage everybody to go to simplereactions.com and check it out themselves and sign up for free to be a part of the website. So go there, go check out the schedule, everything. It's awesome. So you know when things are posted and you know when things are happening. Here we go. What the hell? Uh-oh.
Is anyone here?
Look at I breaking in. Yeah, I'm here.
Oh!
Oh.
What the hell?
My God. Jesus.
Wow. Well, what can I say? He's an amateur. The slippery nipple shots at the Dolly Parton Dixie Stampede nearly killed a guy. All right. I just want you back to your old self. I am. Dean, look, Kevin's back on the heaven spell. Crowley's locked up. We should be out there doing what we do best.
Well,
check that out.
what is that? Is that like a rival taxidermist?
Well, the creep factor just skyrocketed. Yeah, lucky guess. So, about what time did you discover the body?
About 9 a.m. He was a real artist, you know? Strange thing is, though,
That's a little weird.
things were empty this morning.
Why is that strange? Is there anything else missing from the shop?
No. The register was full and the safe was intact. And all Max's trophies are still on the walls.
Jeez,
everybody
that's
else
a
here?
shit ton.
No one.
Yeah, that all sounds very witchy, but I wasn't able to find the hex pack. All right, well, let's keep digging. But, not here. I don't like the way Alvin's looking at me.
I don't even think you can hunt. Can you hunt owls? I don't think you can.
Oh, it makes sense that an animal rights group would have an axe to grind with the taxidermist. Why?
It makes sense.
The animal's already dead. Yeah, but hunters would keep them in business. Now the question is, are those bleeding hearts actually witches?
If hunters didn't
just
hunt,
humans?
there would be an overpopulation of those animals.
What's the difference?
And then more people would get in car accidents. And then more stuff.
I always knew I'd find the source of all evil at a vegan bakery.
That's why there are seasons.
What's that smell?
But obviously it's not for
It
everybody.
makes the depression from meat deprivation. You know who wears sunglasses inside?
Ouch.
Blind people. And douchebags.
Hey. Eric Church is cool.
Olivia and Dylan Camrose?
His business is funded by hunters, and you know how hunters are. They're selfish dicks who define themselves by what they kill.
And as animal advocates,
Oh my
could
God,
stand
no. I know so many people who hunt. I also know people who hate
Sir
it.
doesn't
So,
tolerate violence. We heard this noise.
A hissing noise.
It freaked us out, so we ran out to the alley.
But someone attacked us.
Sprayed us in the eyes with mace.
And it's not like we could go to the cops.
So now we look like total douchebags. Because we have to wear our sunglasses inside.
What causes it? Right here. Blunt force, radiation, venom. As in snake?
yeah,
The
it looks
taxidermist
like a
was
snake.
constricted. Olivia and Dylan heard hissing and then were sprayed in the eyes. Yeah, but they're not afraid to sink their fangs in. Taxidermist was bite-free. It doesn't really fit the profile. All right. So call Kevin. Have him look some stuff up.
What? What? What is happening? He's eating the cats.
That was the taxidermist's dog. So he's been at both crime scenes? Yeah. Maybe he's a suspect. Maybe.
What if you could, if only you could, like, ask him a question.
Shapeshifter.
There you go.
Good luck getting adopted.
Hey, boy.
Guy wearing a
Sign
hat.
language? That's monkeys.
Huh?
You know what? It's gonna sound crazy. I read this book once about this guy who tried to teach his dog to speak after a witnessed a murder.
It worked?
No.
Bet he wrote a book about it?
Yeah, well, he doesn't have what we have. Kevin. Hey, it's me. How do we speak to a dog?
What? No way.
Inuit spell.
Yeah. We knew the metal letters had its own Eskimo section.
And it's supposed to
No way.
Yeah, well, you're tired. You're on the mend, okay? Plus you've got a sensitive stomach. Last thing we need is you chucking this stuff up, huh?
Were you supposed to drink it all?
I was wrong. What's the matter, cat? Got your tongue? Tough crowd. Change the station. Change the station.
What?
Next thing you know, they'll be playing Sticks. And Dennis DeYoung, a punk.
Dennis DeYoung's not a punk. He's Mr. Roboto, bitch.
Yeah, and what about the cats?
Oh,
I don't know.
I don't want this.
I couldn't see much.
he's
I
playing
didn't
fetch.
exactly have the best view in the orphanage. They smell like ground chuck and soap suds and old lady cream. Dean, what are you doing? I don't know. Hey! Yeah! You!
Dean? I think the spell worked. In fact, I think it worked a little too well.
What? Front row.
Yeah. No, that... Okay. All right, thanks.
I wouldn't eat that if I were you. Chocolate? Seriously? Where are we headed?
Back to the shelter.
What the
To
hell?
sniff out more clues.
Oh, you kidding me? Hey, Dick, move, pigeon.
Screw you, asshat!
What? He's being a douchebag.
Who you calling douchebag? Douchebag?
Oh, shut it, you winged rat. What? Just calm down. Just get in the car.
That's right, Sally. Go cry to Mama.
Oh, that's it, you son of a bitch.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Well, all the windows are open.
You think we like that?
We?
You think because the windows are open that that's some sort of a treat, huh? No, the dog's coming in.
Respect.
Oh no.
Yeah, baby.
So what else can you tell me about the man in the cowboy hat?
Honestly, I couldn't see much. Damn cats.
Hey, pretty boy. Hey, over here.
Yeah, sorry, pal, I'm done for the day.
But I saw everything.
Bacon strips, sausages.
Bitch, please. I'm gonna rat someone out. It's gotta be worth my while. I want a belly rub.
All right.
Oh, a cowboy hat, leather pants. The dude's a total closet case.
Okay, what else can you tell me about the guy other than his outfit?
Hell if I know, but he took all of them. Except for the one he ate.
Oh, what? Apparently that guy has a sweet tooth.
Attaboy. It said avant-garde cuisine. No, wait. Hey, sure you don't want to adopt me?
No thanks, we'll pass.
No, I'm not above licking feet. Hey, Biggin, come back here.
All right. Hey, hold up. What's the matter?
Best belly rub I ever had. I left a surprise in there for animal control.
I didn't take you for a softie.
Going home. Honey, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Bacon.
This episode is wow.
Sound like little kids.
What is
No, if you don't free us, the chef will eat us.
He's not lying.
We're in a cage.
is it mice?
Owl brains, cheetah liver, grizzly heart.
Found a spell book. Shamanism.
What's a chef doing dabbling with witchcraft?
It says here, whatever animal organ you ingest with the right mix of hoodoo and spices, lion liver plus eagle heart, a rattlesnake fangs plus anaconda bladder, baboon brains plus black widow abdomen. He's mixing ingredients.
What the hell for?
You be quiet.
Oh no.
Because you're both in clear violation of Penal Code 8.14.
Nice.
Out! Come on! Get out. Both of you.
All right. I'll take the front, you take the back.
You even know how to kill this guy?
Empty one of these in his head. See what that does.
That works. Oh, no way. Can't keep doing this.
Brutish octopus. You're my main course.